Hi, myself Gobinda a computer science and engineering student at Daffodil International University. Currently in my 5th semester, I am excited to share a bit about my academic journey and how my skill and passion drive me to follow my dream. I am currently pursuing my bachelor degree in computer science and engineering at Daffodil International University. I have consistently focused on developing a strong foundation in programming, algorithm, and problem solving. I am passionate about software development, AI, data science, and I am always eager to learn and apply to new technology in real-world projects. My academic journey has been marked by strong performance. I complete my SSC Potnitala High School, GPA 5, and Diploma Engineering 4 out of 4.8.3. This academic achievement reflects my commitment to excellent hard work and my ability to manage responsibility effectively. I have gained hands-on experience with programming language or tools C, C++, Java, MySQL, and have worked projects such as Notes Reader, Java Game, MySQL-based hospital management system. I have completed take-up UTA from DIU. This experience have helped me strengthen my problem-solving abilities, teamwork skill, and technical experience. I am passionate about further developing my skills in computer science, and I am constantly seeking opportunities to my knowledge in real-world scenarios. I believe my strong academic foundation combined with my encourage to learn and grow makes me a great fit for learning. Project or opportunities have my way. I am excited to contribute to this community and continue building on my experience in programming and problem solving. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little about me. I am excited to continue growing and applying my skill as I progress in my studies. Feel free to reach out to me via email, LinkedIn. I am looking forward to connecting. Thank you. That's all for me.